Hey everybody. For those of you who haven't taken one of my tests before, I just wanted to give you a little idea of what you would see when you came into class on Monday. The first thing you'll get is a sheet of paper that it will be dual-sided. The first side will be the place where you'll list the musical elements. And so I've got the categories for the musical elements listed here. And then in the space below, you're just going to provide a bulleted list about the musical elements that you hear on the piece that I play for you. Just like I've done in class many times. And then after I play it twice, I'll give you a few minutes, and then when you're done with that, you'll turn the sheet over for the cultural context. And that's when you'll provide information about the cultural context, whether it's a possible composer, ideologies connected to it, a group of composers that person is connected with, like the Russian Five, or certain things that composer did or was involved in, like Amy Beach, the Boston Symphony, and then how some of the musical elements might be connected to the cultural context. So, like for the Fisk Jubilee Singers, it would be that the arrangements of those spirituals were specifically done for a white audience. So that's what you're going to see. So just to give you an example of how long things will last, you'll have a score in front of you. And the score would usually be about 2 to 4 pages. And I'll play a little bit of it for you. So I'll play some. So this example actually starts about right here. All right, it would be just a little bit longer for the test. Obviously, I'm doing this for time's sake to make it shorter. So I would play through that twice, and then you would just talk about the musical elements that you hear, right? What's happening in the piano accompaniment. You'd have the text translation, so I will give you the text translations if that is appropriate, if it's a piece that's texted. So you would just point out the important characteristics of it. And that's really it. So, like I said today in class, if you have been following along in class and taking notes and understand what's going on, I think you're going to be just fine. So, there's a little bit of a preview of what Monday's going to be like. And once again, we'll do it together for the first one, and then the second one will be on your own, and that's what I'll take the grade on. All right, email me if you have any questions. I won't be in town, but I will be responding to email. Okay, see you Monday.